The Jeep Wrangler YJ marked a bold new chapter for Jeep.
The YJ was engineered to be safer, more comfortable, and more appealing to everyday drivers. Its most famous change? Square headlights.
Development of the YJ began in 1982 under American Motors Corporation House. The goal was clear. Key engineering changes included a wider track width for improved stability and a lower center of gravity for better on-road handling.
Crucially, anti-sway bars were added, a first for a Wrangler model, signaling the shift toward daily driver comfort.
The iconic 7-slot grille remained, but it was slightly angled. The massive departure was the rectangular headlights.
The windshield became wider, and importantly, the wipers were mounted directly onto the glass, not the hood, improving visibility for commuters. Overall, the styling adopted boxier, more road-friendly proportions, a visible sign of its dual-purpose engineering mandate.
This clear move toward daily driver usability ensured that the Wrangler could function as a true second car for many American families.
The YJ era spanned 1987 to 1995, with approximately 685,000 units built globally.
A monumental event occurred in August 1987. Chrysler Corporation acquired AMC.
Production continued seamlessly under Chrysler's new ownership, although their influence would soon begin reshaping the YJ platform in subsequent years.
This switch to fuel injection significantly boosted performance, reliability, and emissions compliance.
Key updates included the 1992 introduction of an extended family roll cage, finally accommodating standard rear shoulder belts for improved passenger safety.
Final model year in 1995 brought larger Dana 30 U-joints for improved durability. Special editions like the Islander, with its tropical graphics and unique interiors, helped market the YJ aggressively as a fun lifestyle vehicle. Then there was the Renegade, boasting bold styling and wide-body flares, a trim that fans either loved or passionately hated.
The Sahara trim leaned towards the more upscale, luxury-leaning side of the spectrum, proving the Wrangler could be versatile. Crucially, Chrysler's branding and global reach elevated the Wrangler from a niche off-roader to a recognizable global SUV icon. The Wrangler YJ is often remembered most for its polarizing square headlights, but its real legacy is far more substantial and foundational.
It successfully saved the Jeep brand during a critical transition period and introduced vital modern safety and comfort features to the entire Wrangler lineage.
The YJ didn't just bridge the gap between the CJ and TJ, it redefined what a Wrangler could evolve into.